then going to be talking about how to upscale or otherwise modify a video using ChaiNNer. So what you're going to want to do is use the video frame iterator node, and that comes with two nodes initially. This first is the load frame as image module that will basically output each frame as its own image. Then you have the right output frame, which will then recompile it back into a video. If you want to do an upscale on images, be aware that this will take a long time to run. You can grab PyTorch models or any other type of model, and then select an upscale image node. Make sure you don't do upscale face unless you're loading a face fixer model or it won't load. And I'm going to select 4x-. I'm not actually going to run this because it is pretty time consuming and burns a lot of memory, VRAM, and doesn't like to play well with OBS. So that's the basic way if you want to just upscale a video. All you would do is drag this through, load your video file. I'm going to select my video inf, which is prepared for that. You can adjust the quality how you like. Some of these have presets. Not all video types have the same options. Or maybe they do. I don't have audio on this, so I turn off copy audio. But also use that to clean audio out of a video so that you can add it in something else. And then you'll want the output video name. So in this case, I would just do video out MP4. But there are also other things you can do with this. So if you want to split a video into its individual frames, you could do a save image node. Move either this file or this image file out, and it would save those images as frames. You just want to select the folder you want to be in. If you wanted to make sure that you didn't have to name each of the numbers individually, you would want to do a text append and do frame index and say frame, and then I'm going to set a separator to a space character. I will move it to the same directory, subdirectory path frames. And if I hit run, this would both upscale these, save the images of each frame individually, and write the output frames as MP4 with that quality factor. So one thing you could do with this, for example, is if you weren't sure what video quality you wanted, you could save the raw frames so that you could then recompile them with FFmpeg or something like that if you wanted to do that and you decided my quality setting was too low or too high. Really useful tool. You can also do the other image modification jobs just the same way. So you could do, brightness and contrast pass and send in through here before you send it to the upscaler, or after the upscaler if you would like. So a lot of ways to modify your video output. You can even add in lookup tables or other things based on the nodes that ChaiNNer supports. So it's a really useful tool. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. This was a video requested by someone, so I hope I covered all the questions that they had. If you have any further questions, feel free to let me know. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.